Installing DVWA on Windows. Open Google Chrome. Type Xampp here. Click on download for Windows. See, my Windows is 64-bit. Download 64-bit. After downloading, go to that file, install it in your Windows. See, I already installed, so I'm not going to show here. I was opening the Xampp server. Click on Apache start, MySQL start, minimize it. Here also website, minimize it. Open Chrome. Download DVWA on your Windows. Download as zip. Open downloads. See, DVWA master.zip. You have to unzip this one. See, right click and unzip. See, I already unzipped. Control copy to copy the file. Go to local disk C, Xampp folder, HT docs folder. Paste here DVWA master. After it, open it. Open config file. Edit this file. .dst. Remove that. Click on enter. Click on yes. Right click. Edit in Notepad. Remove the db_password. db_root is user is root. If you want change settings to low, impossible to low, Control S to save. Close it. Close this here. Go to Chrome, localhost / just click on localhost. DVWA master. Setup.php. Click on enter. Clear or reset the database. Click here. Successfully set up. See, go to login.php. Click on enter. See, username is admin. Password is password. Click on login. Here I have successfully logged in. Here DVWA security. You can change it anything you want. Previously I set it low. That's why here showing low. That's it. Thank you for watching.